Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use max RAM speed. To begin, you must enable the Extreme Memory Profile, or XMP, which is sometimes called DOCP, in your computer's BIOS. This setting allows your RAM to run at its advertised speed, often much faster than the default. Also, ensure your motherboard and CPU are compatible with your RAM speed, and always install your memory modules in the correct slots for dual-channel operation. This foundational step is crucial for unlocking your system's full. Now let's dive into the BIOS. Restart your computer and repeatedly press the designated key, usually Delete, F2, or F12, to enter the BIOS or UEFI. Once inside, look for an option related to memory or overclocking. Here, you'll find XMP or DOCP. Select the profile that matches your RAM's rated speed, for example, 3200 MHz or 3600 MHz. Save your changes and exit. Your system should then boot with the new, faster memory settings applied. With your controller in pairing mode and your laptop's Bluetooth settings open, you should see Xbox Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the Xbox button on your controller will glow solid, indicating a stable connection. You can then test its functionality by navigating through your laptop's menus or launching a game to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, proper physical installation is key. For optimal performance, especially with 2 or 4 RAM sticks, install them in the correct dual-channel slots. These are often color-coded or specified in your motherboard manual, typically slots 2 and 4 or 1 and 3. Dual-channel mode significantly boosts memory bandwidth. Make sure each module is firmly seated until the clips on both ends snap into place. A loose stick can prevent your system from booting or cause instability, so double-check everything.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.